Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, although I have so many things to do and care for myself, I thought today should be the day that Ellie is getting her hair cut. Because you know, she is quite matted, her haircut doesn't show anymore her beautiness. So I thought, let's make her a little bit cuter and take care of her a little bit. But you know, that is breaking my heart because I do like her with long hair. Anyway, we're gonna try to make her pretty even with short hair. It's coming the spring. You gave me a kiss? Okay, let's start the video. Are we ready? Yes, we are. Well, she just had a bath and I'm gonna try to go through her hair a little bit with a brush because I'm gonna show you she's a little bit matted. Wait, little mouse, like here, Ellie. She's scared, and those lateral sides of her body, they are a little bit matted, not that much, but anyway, she's needing a haircut. Hey, we gotta cut your hair. She's a very naughty girl and she's afraid of all the cleaning and fixing process. The only thing she wants to do is to play, eat and sleep. And yeah, let's try cut. So I'm gonna try to use some clippers and see if that works. It works so nice. Oh, I'm so sorry for cutting her hair. Okay, let's go further with the scissors. I got here a pair of scissors and I'm gonna try top of her head. Actually, I don't want to cut that much because I do want to still want to be able to fix her like a ponytail, the way I am always fixing her. But as you see, she hates me in this moment. She hates to be like checking on her hairs or try to take the messy parts out. She just hates it. So we're gonna cut that much. So I'm gonna try to clean those parts up. This one has to go there. Hey! And this one should go down here. Hey! And I'm gonna try to collect them from the nose down, like in a straight line. And then just cut. I try to make it a little bit slices, not to fold that much straight. Yeah, wow! We had a little break because Ellie is shaking and she hates me so much. So I let her a little bit relaxed, and now we're gonna go on with the ears, fixing with the legs, and maybe we can cut her nails as well if she wants to stay, because every chance she gets she's like running off the table directly on the chair. From the chair she's hiding in the sofa, but still she cannot escape because she needs to have her haircut done today. Okay, shall we go on? Say to your friends, I am a very naughty dog. Okay. So that should be the head. Okay, now let's clean the legs. anyway, guys, I think with a little bit of patience and with a little bit of carefulness and with a little some tools, that's the result. Say hello. Say hello, guys. I just had my hair cut. Well, goodbye. See you next time, guys. Say bye-bye.